We'll guide you through how to configure Streamlabs Encoder settings for optimal streaming performance. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Streamlabs desktop on your computer. You'll want to click on the Settings gear icon, typically located in the lower left corner. This will open up the Settings menu where you need to focus on the Output tab first. Here, you'll see options for output mode. Set this to Advanced to unlock more detailed settings. Under the Streaming section, you'll find the Encoder option. If your computer's graphics card supports it, select NVENC, New, for NVIDIA GPU users, or X264, if you rely on your CPU. This choice can significantly impact your stream quality and performance. Next, set the rate control to CBR, which stands for Constant Bit Rate, ensuring a consistent stream quality. You'll need to set your bitrate depending on your internet speed. A good rule of thumb is a bitrate of 4,500 kbps for 1080p streaming at 60 fps. If you're streaming at 720p, you might lower this to around 2,500 kbps. Moving on to the Video tab, set the base canvas resolution to match your monitor's resolution, and the output scaled resolution to your desired stream resolution, often 1920 by 1080 for full HD. The downscale filter should be set to Lanczos for the best quality, and set your FPS type to common FPS values, with a common choice being 60 or 30 depending on your stream needs. Don't forget to click Done to save all these settings. This should set up your Streamlabs Encoder settings effectively for a smooth and professional streaming experience. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.